Hi everyone, I'm Lorenzo Pellegrini, the Intramind CEO, and in this video, I'm going to show you what we created for streamers and content creator and why you should have our suite to scale your business or to scale your content in social media. So first of all, what is IntraOS? IntraOS is basically a social media multi-module. If you need to scale your business, if you need some tools for your business, if you are a content creator or a streamer, if you want your own blog, or simply if you want to customize our services. So if you use Olesia bot and you want to link her on Twitch, for example, you have your custom dashboard. But in this video, we're gonna focus on the brand new Creator Console AI. So let's move on in IntraOS. This is my public profile. As you can see, I have even the verified icon because I'm the CEO, so I'm an IntraMind team member. With my bio, even with my links hub. So here you can customize your public links, so just like Linktree, but it's just one single switch. Now let's switch to the Creator Console AI. Okay, that's it. This is my dashboard. So I already configured my audience, but let's do it again just to let you see how to do that. Okay, this is the first step. You have to set up your target age range. In my case, 13, 17, 25, 34, 18, and 24. The gender focus is old, without distinctions. Here you have to set your audience interest. So what your audience is interested to. In my case, technology, artificial intelligence, gaming, entertainment, education, and even business. If you don't see what you want to set, you can even add a custom interest. For example, in my case, I added chatbot. Let's click on save and then next. The second step is about the content persona. So now we have to set the content tone. In my case, educational, professional, humorous, or authentic. The primary content style. So what is the style of our content? How-to, tutorial, quick tips, or behind the scenes in my case. Personality traits. So who are you? Just ask yourself, who are you? The more honest you will be with yourself, the better will be the content generated by the AI. Let the AI understand who you are. And don't worry, because we don't use your data to train our AI models. So your privacy is safe. Okay, I already set up the personality traits, so I can click on the save button and then on the next step. So the third step is about the content themes. In my case, technology, gaming, and business. So you have just to click here to enable or disable your content. Specific content topics you can set the same way your content topics, and even if you want to add a custom topic, you can do it by simply using this custom field with this button. Areas of expertise. What are you good at? Are you good at Java? Are you good at C++? Are you good in programming? Or are you good in marketing? Are you good at public speaking? I don't know. You must know that. So here the save. The more you're honest with yourself, the more the AI will generate better content for you. Let's continue with the next step. You have to select all the social media platforms where you publish content. In my case, I use all of them. Posting frequency, you know, I am a CEO and I have a lot of stuff to do, so I don't have too much time to publish content on social media, and that's why I'm not very active on social media. So my posting frequency is very irregular. Content types: short form videos, long form videos, photos, carousel, stories, live streams, podcasts, or blog posts. It depends on the platform. It depends even on what you post on each platform. And now let's complete the setup. Here we go. This is my own dashboard. The next step, I'm going to show you the content topics manager. What is our content about? So for example, it's just a test. I didn't complete the setup just because of I'm very busy. In my case, if you're following me from years or from months, you can remember that I posted a lot of videos on TikTok about Pamacchio. Pamacchio is a fake identity I act on social media to simulate particular situations with my customers. So when they ask me useless questions or repetitive questions, or even when they try to waste my time. So the customer is basically Pamacchio. Again, the more you're honest with yourself, the more you explain better your content, the more the AI will generate better content for you. So spend a lot of time on configuring your audience, your setup. Now let's switch to the caption generator. Whenever you want to post a video or whenever you have a ready to publish video and you don't know what is your best caption, just open IntraOS, click on the caption generator, and here you can let the AI generate a caption, a full caption, even with hashtags for you. So for example, let's imagine that we want to publish a video on TikTok that's about technology, video description, My video is about the new AI browser released by Perplexity. Comment. Let's click on generate hashtags. You can see after a couple of seconds the AI will generate a list of hashtags for us, and even with the full caption to ready to publish on social media. This percentage is the hashtag score. The more is higher this number, the more the hashtag will help you to grow your content, to scale your content. The medium, easy or hard represents the competitors. So how much is hard to scale your content with that hashtag? If the hashtag is growing up very fast, you will see this icon that will let you know that this hashtag is growing up very fast. So if you want to copy the entire caption, even with the hashtag, you just have to click on this button. And if you want to copy only the hashtags, you can click this button. Now let's introduce the hook suggestion engine. So every time you publish a video, every time you record a video, or every time you want to record a video, you must know that the video must start with a hook, and the hook must be in the first 3 seconds of the video. So let's set a title for the content. For example, in my case, let's use Comet browser. My video is about Comet, the new AI browser made by Perplexity. Let me copy this just because I'm gonna use this prompt again. So let's set the content tone, educational, category, technology, industry. You can even set the industry here. So let's set technology. Style, how-to tutorial, because I just want to tell the people that Perplexity has released a brand new browser with an AI agent integrated. So let's click on generate, and after a couple of seconds, the AI will generate a list of hooks ready to be used for our videos. If you need to copy, you can click on the button and the hook will be copied just to generate your script. And if you think that a certain hook will help you a lot on your future videos, you can even save this hook and you will have that hook in this window. So now let's switch to the idea evaluation panel. Every time you want to publish a video but you're not sure if this video will fit your audience interest, just type your idea here and let the AI do the worst work. So let's paste the prompt I made first and let's click here on the evaluate idea. So now the AI will tell us the good points, the weak points, and even some suggestions regarding how we can do that video to get the best results. Okay, so now let's switch to the planner calendar. It's just a simple calendar. You can set your favorite view. So for example, let's use the common one. Here I have a test video that I made. So for example, if I click here, I can have the entire content ready to be published with the hook, with the body, and even with the caption and the hashtag. So this video is ready to be published. So let's switch to the trend aggregator. Here at the moment, you can choose between YouTube and Twitch. Okay, here we go. After a couple of seconds, the AI generated an entire list of content based on our audience. So these are the contents that are growing very fast, that are in trends in YouTube. This is based on your own audience. As first, the more you're honest with yourself, the more the AI will generate better content for you. So now let's switch to the video idea generator. This is my favorite page, and I won't lie, this is the worst page I had to create. It required a lot of time, but it's okay. Here you have the switch. So if you want to create your content manually, you can switch here and you can type your content here. This is markdown formatted, so in this link you will have the full references. But now let's use the AI mode. So let's copy and paste again. Select the tone, it's educational, style, how-to tutorial, technology, social network. Let's imagine that's for YouTube. Topic, that's Pamacchio, because I am only Pamacchio at the moment. Here we have to set the minimum duration, the maximum duration of the video. Let's try with 3 minutes. And here you can have the button to set up with the user interface, but that's the formatting options. And now let's set the maximum duration for about 6 minutes. Now let's click generate script and let the AI create the full video for us, ready to be published. Okay, after a couple of seconds, the AI generated the entire video. So the hook, the content body, the call to action, and even the caption with the hashtag ready to be recorded and then published. Here we go. If you want to schedule your own content, you can set a date and an hour, and if you click on this button, you will see your content right here. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comment section under this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you really like our job, and share this video with a friend that really needs this suite. Bye!